In this video, we use 2818 WIN ZV Wave Gateway, ZV9101FA-RGBW RGBW LED dimmer, and SR-ZV9001K8-RGBW RGB remote for setup. Wiring the three devices correctly, power on them. Download easyhome smart home app from App Store or Google Play. Then connect your phone's Wi-Fi to easyhome. The password is 0123456789. Before add the dimmer or remote to a Z-Wave network, you must make sure that they do not belong to any Z-Wave network. Please remove them from previous network first, if they belong to any Z-Wave network. Please refer to the part exclusion in factory reset for how to remove them from a Z-Wave network. Now add the dimmer to Z-Wave network. Enter the easyhome app. Select Z-Wave. Tap the plus button, create a new room and enter the room. Tap the plus button to searching new device. Triple press the reset button on the dimmer. It will set the dimmer into inclusion mode. Added a new device, we can control the lighting with the app now. Before add the dimmer or remote to a Z-Wave network, you must make sure that they do not belong to any Z-Wave network. Please remove them from previous network first, if they belong to any Z-Wave network. Please refer to the part exclusion in factory reset for how to remove them from a Z-Wave network. Now add the remote to Z-Wave network. Tap the plus button to searching new device. Press and hold down both buttons I and O of group 2 over 3 seconds. The remote control will be set to inclusion mode and waiting to be included. After 10 seconds, LED indicator blinks 6 times quickly to indicate successful inclusion. The remote control is a sleepy device. After inclusion, it will not enter into sleepy mode immediately and will continue activation status for 30 seconds and wait data enter from the gateway. The LED indicator will stay solid on. Please be patient to wait LED indicator to turn off. Now bind the remote to the dimmer. Select a group, select and tap a device from the unbind device list. Here the dimmer is displayed as a RGBW device in the list. Tap it to bind to the remote. Then the dimmer will appear in the bind device list, which means successful binding. We can control the lighting with the remote now. In this part, we'll show you how to exclusion and reset device to factory default setting. For remote, there are two exclusion methods. Method 1, exclusion from gateway. Tap reset in the wall switch option. Immediately press and hold down both I and O buttons at the top row simultaneously for over 3 seconds. The LED indicator will show 4 short blinks to indicate successful exclusion. Method 2, reset to factory default setting. Press and hold down both I and O buttons at the top row simultaneously for over 10 seconds. The LED indicator will show 4 short blinks to indicate successful resetting. For dimmer, there are two exclusion methods. Method 1, exclusion from gateway. Tap reset in the wall switch option. Immediately triple press the prog button, then the dimmer will be excluded to the network. Method 2, reset to factory default setting. Press and hold down the prog button for over 10 seconds. The dimmer will be reset to factory defaults.